Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the solution for Act 3, Jinx fixes everything, alright? In this act, Jinx needs to repair a sabotage contraption by aligning the gears and circuits. The goal is to correct power source to the output while activating all nodes in the correct order. Sounds simple? Well, not quite. Here's how to solve it. Step 1 would be to rotate the first gear to align the left circuit with the power source. Step 2 would be to activate the switch on the top right to unlock the middle gear. Step 3 is to use the circuit junction to connect the lower path while bypassing the broken node. Then the final step here is to align the last gear to light up all nodes. Watch closely, you'll see the final spark when it's done. Be careful not to rush, misaligning even one piece can reset the whole system. If you get stuck, try resetting and focusing on one gear or circuit at a time. Patience is the key. And I hope this video helps them. Please don't forget to share this video to your friends. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.